I'm a prop builder in the film industry, working in kind of a make-believe world. Ownr handles all the paperwork and lets me focus on the stuff that I love. It's fast and easy. I remember the first job that really legitimized our shop, and I just remember looking at the chaos and the mess, and I was like, oh, this is real, this is happening. I worked in a 9-to-5 job, and I was doing the same thing every day, and I really wanted something more. When I met my wife, she really pushed for the idea that we should open a business, but we didn't really know where to start. You generally start a business because you really enjoy doing something. That sort of administrative side can catch you by surprise. Ownr makes it very easy for you to store and retrieve all the documents related to your business. And this is really good for us because our shop is busy, we're on a job site, we're on a film set. If I need my HST number, it's all there, it's all accessible. With Ownr, it's easy.